Cardi B's ex-husband reveals in a lost video of him pretending to like Cardi's food. Cardi B doesn't know how to cook. She can't even boil water right. She isn't even good in bed. I left Cardi B because I was tired of pretending. I was tired of eating tasteless food and lying to myself. She isn't even good in bed, and that's why I'm always cheating. I wanted to be honest with myself. Cardi B talking shit about me, but she can't do anything right. We men go through a lot in marriages, but the fact that we decide to stay quiet is making ladies gain public sympathy. Men suffer the most in marriages, but we choose to remain silent. If you can survive in your house with a woman, then you're good enough to survive in hell. I know what I was going through.